Welcome to the United Bible Conference 2021 website, accelevents.com/e/UBC. On this website, you will see a lot of information that will help you navigate this year's virtual experience. You will get the theme, a list of speakers, ticket pricing, and also dates and times. Click on the Speakers tab to see what speakers will be presenting this year. Click on an individual speaker to read more about who they are and see what workshops they will be presenting. Click on the Agenda tab to see what activities will be going on for the weekend. There will be concerts, praise and worship sessions, workshops for adults, teens, and kids under 12. You can even get the days and the times for each activity to plan your weekend. Click on the Offering tab to give towards UBC. Every little bit counts towards making this event a success. You can even purchase your tickets through the UBC website by clicking the Buy Tickets tab. There are 3 tickets for you to choose from: a family bundle, which includes 2 adults and 2 youth, a general admission youth ticket, and a general admission adult ticket. Click on the ticket that's best for you and the quantity. Follow all of the prompts and check out. It's that simple. We can't wait to see you for this year's United Bible Conference 2021, the virtual experience, the pause that refreshes.